Hello guys! We are here with Mayumi and Mayumi is now 5 months old. So we found this in TikTok and we're going to try it together. See if Mayumi can do it. It's putting both of your hands above your head like this. So let's see if Mayumi can do it at 5 months. Ready? Habuji! 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 1, 2, 3. Oops! Oh. Again. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Oh! The hands, the fingers, okay, they're touching together. But Mayumi's face is like a buko. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Haji! Haji!